What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Whitney and today we're talking about these multiNUTS. These guys are industrial fasteners that allow you to attach a flange protector to a full-size bolt hole. MultiNUTS are used in place of larger fasteners in situations where full torque fastening is not required. The tapered end of a multinut also allows them to be used for a wide variety of bolt hole sizes. They are cost-effective, reusable, and automatically self-centers in the hole due to its cone shape. They also come in small, medium, or large. Alright, so if you're wondering what size you need, we have a spec sheet of these on our website and it'll tell you exactly what size you need. Also, if you want to find out how these are made, we have a video up on our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys check that out. Now, let's go see how to apply these. Alright guys, so on our flange bumper right here, I have all of our multinuts attached except for one. We're using medium multinuts here. So I'm going to place the small part of the cone facing the back of our bumper. I'm going to start it on our screw. And here I'm using a drill. You can also use a screwdriver, just whatever you have. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten it. And then you're good to go. Alright guys, one last thing. Make sure that when you're in the field applying these, you're following all HSE safety guidelines. See you next week.